semiconductor, okay, electronica. We are measuring the quality of electronic chips. I'm managing the Salesforce and the ERP sales-related order management. We are very satisfied from the service from Kumar, very professional. He answered very quickly. Sure, I will recommend the HIC for my colleagues here in Israel. We are a very tight community of Salesforce managers, okay? So we'll recommend.